After quite an active holiday so far, visiting Malaga, Ronda, Granada, Gibraltar and Morocco, it's time to relax a bit today and spend it along the beach. So I'm currently in Torremolinos, just outside our hotel on the beach here. You can see Malaga in the distance far behind me. And we're just going to walk along the beach up to Benalmádena. It's around 5 kilometers, so it should just take a couple of hours. We'll have a nice, slow, relaxing pace, I think. There's a colony of cats that live here and are cared for by volunteers. There's a few of them just sunbathing on the rocks over here. As we come around this corner, Benalmádena comes into sight down there with the Ferris wheel. And another long sandy beach to walk along. So the area we're coming into now is La Caruela, and it's an old fishing village and where the tourist boom started in the 1950s. It's a monument to remember 12 sailors who perished at sea in 1949 from the village here. There's plenty of places to stop, have some food or a drink. Back along the beach for some time now. The sun has gone behind a cloud now, so it's certainly not as warm as it was half an hour ago. But hopefully the cloud will pass by and the sun will shine again. No fighting for sunbeds at this time of year. This would be a great beach if you want to collect shells. So many of them. The sun is back. There's many of these sand sculptures along the beaches here. There's a group of parakeets just over here. Not far to Benalmádena now. And that was Torremolinos. Now we come into Benalmádena. I'm sure all them designer brands on sale there are totally legit. And this behind me is the big Ferris wheel we saw at the start of the walk along the beach. Not sure what the polar bear is doing here. It doesn't seem very Spanish if you ask me, but I'm sure there's a reason behind it. Just walking through the marina here, and there's a lot of boat tours that you can do. Dolphin watching, fishing, swimming out in the sea here. It's quite cool. So we just come through the marina area now onto another beach, and there's huge areas here for football and volleyball. So they have a sign here which tells you the UV level and then what protections you should take against the sun. So today it says we should wear sunglasses, a hat and sun cream. So I have sunglasses and sun cream but no hat. There's just miles and miles of beaches here to walk along. It's great. Still the same UV levels. Starting to get a bit hungry now, so we're going to try some food at this restaurant here. Went for the steak here with a nice view. That was some nice food there. So now we're going to continue up to the town area of Benalmádena, and we're going to head through a park on the way. The UV levels have now gone down, so I can take off my sunglasses and remove the sun cream. So the name of the park is Parque La Paloma, and it looks quite big. So let's have a walk around and see what we come across. Just walking around the lake, and we can see over the back in the distance some of the mountains behind Benalmádena. I've seen one of them, you can actually take a cable car up, and then there's some eagles and birds of prey, I think it was, at the top. All the ducks are enjoying their evening swim. There's some cool palm trees up here as well. Behind me in here we have some native Spanish goats. These ones from Malaga. This is the bamboo garden. With a tiger living here. So if I was a plant and I wanted to look scary, so no animals would eat me, this would be what I'd look like. Wonder if there's any crocodiles in here. Can't see any, just the tiger over there. And then the most important component of any park, the ice cream kiosk. It's a very weird sculpture. So we're just heading out of the park now. It's really nice to walk around here. Good to see the goats, the ducks, the parakeets. The tiger was, well, could have been a bit more real, maybe. Although perhaps it's for the best it wasn't. And I didn't see any of the crocodiles today. Maybe next time. We've now reached the town centre of Benalmádena. So we just reached Benalmádena train station, and from here we're gonna take the train back to Torremolinos. The sun will be setting in about 20 minutes, so I think it's time to call it a day. And I'll end the video here. Hope you've enjoyed that walk along the beach and up to the town here. If you enjoyed it, please give it a video a like and don't forget to subscribe.